Welcome back. Panajekaar celebrated Shigmo on Saturday with great fervour and joy. Have a glimpse of the celebration. Second phase of resurfacing of runway at Dabolim Airport will be taken up from 15th April to 31st May. Airport officials and naval authorities held a meeting with Defence Minister Panajekaar on Saturday. Raksha Mantri Panajekaar has instructed the naval authorities to give the runway for operation of flights for 8 hours from the allotted 6 hours.
Second phase of resurfacing of runway is taken up at Dabolim from 15th April to 31st May. Earlier, first phase was taken up last year.
रक्षा मंत्री जी ने मीटिंग लिया था। पहले जो बात हुआ था रनवे रीसरफेसिंग का, रिकारपेटिंग का, उसके लिए 5 से 11 बजे तक देने के वादा किया था, नेवी ने। अभी रक्षा मंत्री जी ने उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है, इंस्टेड ऑफ 5 to 11 इट विल बी 5 to 1। 8 घंटा अभी हमको एयरपोर्ट मिलेंगे ऑपरेट करने के लिए फ्रॉम 15th of April to 31st of May। ये तो 2 घंटा बढ़ा दिया, इसे फ्लाइट्स ज़्यादा आएंगे, कैंसलेशन कम होगा, वो टूरिस्ट के लिए सुविधा होगी।
Naval authorities, airport officials, Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar and Raksha Mantri were present for the meeting. Extension in flight operation at the airport is likely to reduce congestion in air traffic and cancellation of flights. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Goa government is likely to extend ban entry of Sri Ram Sena Chief Pramod Mutalik in the state. Deputy CM Francis D'Souza said Mutalik's visit to Goa can create law and order problems in the state. Hence, ban is likely to be extended. Present ban order against Mutalik is ending on 18th March.
The wait of Sri Ram Sena's chief Pramod Mutalik to visit Goa does not seem to be over in near future. Deputy CM Francis D'Souza said, though the State Home Department will take final call, Mutalik's ban is likely to be extended.
Government will do whatever is required to be done. Most probably it will be extended.
Earlier, Pramod Mutalik had filed a petition before the High Court challenging his ban from entering Goa. So far, this matter has not come up for hearing. Deputy CM Francis D'Souza said that government has not banned Mutalik baselessly, but he is a serious threat for peace, communal harmony and law and order.
Government doesn't do it for fun. There's a reason behind it. In the interest of the state, in the interest of law and order, these are all the considerations.
Pramod Mutalik claims that he wants to visit Goa to visit temples and ashrams without any political motive. But on various occasions, he has expressed his intention to start a local branch of Sri Ram Sena to end pub culture in the state. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.